Hey guys, so after 60 hours of printing, the Master Chief helmet is done. Now, if you look at, you can see a lot of lines. So the printer, the Qidi Plus4, did not do a great job of stacking the layers. So I thought, okay, what's going on? Is it the belts? But then it popped in my head. I normally only print ASA, ABS, and other technical filaments on the Plus4. I rarely ever do PLA. Like, that's what this helmet was printed in. And it got me thinking, is it really the belts? Because normally the Plus4 rivals, I believe, in my opinion, that the Plus4 is the best printer I have in my print farm. Out of all the bamboo P1Ss that I have, the A1s, the Elegoo Centauri Carbons, the Solvals, etc., etc. So I said, okay, what's the issue? Well, the issue was I did not tune the profile. I used just a generic profile from Qidi. I normally take pride in tuning profiles for all the filaments that I have. And in this case, I did not. So I used a Polymaker filament with a generic profile. And I think that was the issue. It was not properly tuned. So I basically calibrated the filament, did some pressure advances, and now this is the result. Perfectly stacked. So I can't blame the printer for this. It's pretty much, serves as a public service announcement. Make sure to tune your profiles to your filament. Otherwise, you're going to have issues like this right here. Now, I will be doing some work on this, so there's going to be painting and all that other stuff. But had I tuned it for the filament, it would have came out much better, like this Orca cube that I have here. So if you run into this issue, it's likely pressure advance. It's not necessarily the belts. Make sure to tune your profile to your filament, and you'll get great results like you got here. Anyway, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Like and subscribe, please. See you later.